Hello students and welcome back to the channel. Today we will see what is DC motor and how it works. First we will see the definition. A DC motor is any type of motor which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy using direct current. Nearly all type of DC motors have some internal mechanism, either electromechanical or electronic, to periodically change the direction of current flow in part of the motor. The DC motor's speed can be controlled over a wide range using either variable supply voltage or by changing the strength of current in its field windings. Now we will see the parts of DC motor. There are four main parts of DC motor. Those are field winding, armature winding, brushes and commutator, from which the field winding and brushes are called as stator part and armature winding and commutator are called as rotor part. Now moving towards the construction, the north and south poles of permanent magnet or electromagnet are the stationary parts. Those are called as stator, as I earlier mentioned that. The armature winding is called as rotor. The rotor is connected to commutator. The north and south poles are used to create a magnetic field as shown in figure. Armature winding is made up of the conducting material and current I is flowing through it. It is placed between magnetic field produced by north and south pole. Brushes are used to attach DC supply to the armature via commutator. Commutators are attached with the armature winding. These commutators rotates along with the armature. Brushes are stator part. They are always in contact with the commutator. Here we will see the working principle of DC motor. Working principle of DC motor is based on the fact that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a mechanical force and starts rotating. The direction of its rotation depends on the Fleming's left hand rule. Here we will see the working of brush DC motor. The force is generated on the armature. The direction of force completely depends on the direction of magnetic field and direction of current flowing through armature. This direction of force is reversed by changing the polarity of current supplied. So students, this was all about the brush DC motor. Now we will move towards the brushless DC motor. The working principle of brushless DC motor is similar to a brush DC motor. But the only difference is brushless DC motor does not use brushes for commutation. Rather, they are electronically commutated. Hence, it eliminates the mechanically torn brushes. Brushless DC motor uses electric switch circuit instead of mechanical commutator. Brushless DC motors usually use Hall effect sensor. Advantages of brush DC motor. They are simple in construction and control, low cost, speed linear to applied voltage. Now advantages of brushless DC motor. They are high efficiency motors, long lifespan and low maintenance. Now moving towards the limitations of brush DC motor. They are high maintenance motors and low lifespan. And limitations of brushless DC motor. They are having complicated control and high initial cost. So students, this was all about the DC motor. Hope you enjoyed the learning. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.